you at the time of your life. I brought back with me what's the same in my blood.
Is the mark of a fighter. Drink responsibly. Beer imported by Crown Port, Chicago, Illinois.
Hey, it's Sam. If you're staring at roof damage right now, please hear me when I tell you this. You do.
And it matches the profile of exactly what they want to be and what they want to do on the interior. It's just the thing with Corleone is just going to come.